Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard using Canva. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we start, we need to decide what type of data information you want to present. So this can be sales, social media growth, website analytics, etc. And choose a dashboard style. So minimal, colorful, professional, corporate, etc. Then from here, open up Canva. So we can use Canva Web or Canva application. Go on the Home tab, and then where it says search millions of templates, go ahead and type in dashboard. So as you can see, Canva has ready-made dashboard templates. When we scroll down, choose one that fits your theme. This can be business, analytics, marketing, finance. You can also start with a blank canvas for full customization. Now, as we scroll down, you'll notice there is some premium or pro versions. So if there's a little crown next to it, so we need to upgrade the account to Canva Pro to use premium templates, but they've got a lot of free templates that you can use. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to use this inventory tracker dashboard. So from here, I'm going to click into it, click on customize this dashboard. So inside of here, we can customize it. So Canva has ready-made dashboard templates as I've spoken about. Now we can replace the placeholder text and charts with your own data. You can use elements, charts. So we can come over here and use elements. We can use charts. If we search for charts, we can use different charts here. We've also got shapes we can add in. Make sure we're under all. So we've got all different shapes we can add into the template, icons, progress bars, infographics. We can also upload logos, brand colors, and images if needed, and adjust fonts and colors to match your brand identity. So to adjust it, we just double click onto it and change the font, color, etc. So yeah, these templates are fully customizable. Now, if we come back here to elements, and I'll come back and I'll search for charts, hit enter. So we can start with data. We can go ahead and click onto that, and we've got bar charts we can add in, stacked line, pack circles. To say if I want to use a pie, I can add a pie in like so. Also, you can input your data manually or import from a CSV file, and use icons, infographics to highlight key metrics. Now we can organize the layout here, so use grid or sections. For example, KPIs at the top, charts in the middle, and detailed breakdowns at the bottom. So basically we want to try and keep it clean and easy to read. Dashboard should highlight insights at a glance. Then from once you're done, we can go ahead and share this and download it. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial of how to create dashboards in Canva. A few pro tips before I end this video. So you want to go ahead and use consistent colors. So for example, red negative, green positive. Keep text minimal, let visuals do the explaining. And for recurring reports, duplicate your designs and just update the numbers each week and month.